science!
So much fun. Okay,
I
tilt
know.
it, tilt it.
Here, Dr. A, you try it.
All right.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Well, if you watched our episode on fluids, we talked about how that works, but I have a better explanation using my trusted whiteboard.
Oh, Mr. S.
I know, I'm going to totally geek out here. So, imagine that this is the airflow coming out of the hairdryer.
Hairdryer.
And here's the ball in midair. What ends up happening, since the air is moving, and we already know that moving air has less
Velocity.
pressure, so you have an area of low pressure here inside the column where the ball is. So the outside air exerts a higher force on the side. That force prevents the ball from falling. Every time the ball wants to fall out, the air pushes it back into the flow of the air from the hairdryer. It's amazing, isn't it?
So cool.
Again, check out our episode on fluids to learn more. Let's try that again. It's so much fun.
Let's go.
What the science?